navigating and customizing the client record. Note that client and contacts have separate profiles in Mindscope. To interact with the client, you can use the action button at the top. To create a schedule, something like a reminder, a follow-up, send an email to the main client default email address, in this case sales@farmersins.com, or send a text message. Below that, you'll find the ownership, point of contact, department, divisions, etc. This information can be edited with the edit tool on the right hand side. On the right of that will show the profile completion and if you need to go back to the wizard. If you wish to view the contact profile for the main point of contact, you can go ahead and click on View Contact Profile. Below is the client summary page. This is customizable. Clicking on the settings will allow you to modify the summary page. So if something like contacts, activity, job orders, and placements are frequent sections that you visit, you can go ahead and set this up to your summary page. Once saved, the page will refresh and all of the activity to date, contacts, job orders, and placements will appear. The activity to date would show activity between the client and also all of the job orders. This can be filtered. You can filter by job orders. You can filter by schedule statuses or any of the other columns shown. To edit these columns, you can go ahead and move them around by clicking, dragging, and dropping. And you can also turn off columns you're not using by using the column selector button. Once you made your changes, go ahead and click on apply. Alongside with that, you'll have an option to add a new activity if you wish to reset your filters, and if you selected more than one activity, you can go ahead and delete it. Below we'll find contacts. Any contacts for this client will appear on the table. It will show the default client for the contact, as you can attach a contact to more than one client. To do so, on the right hand side is a Connect Contact button. When clicked, you're able to add an existing client contact or a candidate as a contact to this client. Searching by last name, you will locate the contact or candidate and click on Save to save him or her to the client. Below we'll find job orders. For every job order, you're able to clone the job order, or you can create a new one on the spot. Placements will appear on the table. There's a quick view where it'll show you the defaults, the custom fields, and financial information for this placement. You have an opportunity to view what hot list the client is already part of, or add the client to a new list. If you wish to call a list called leads, go ahead and type in the name. You can either make this list public or keep it private by not selecting this. If you need to assign it to a different user, you can go ahead and selecting the other user from right over here. Once complete, click on Save. If you have permission, you have an option to delete the client, and you have an option to print off the summary page.